I love them. Do you love them?
He's enjoying them. He likes them.
Oh, good. We just refilled it with a brand new.
Where'd you get them
That first store, they were filling it up at the very beginning, and then they were walking around with the cart. It was all lit up. I'm like, one kid. Careful, baby, don't get it too close to their face. Hi. Wow. You're missing them. Wow. No, they do better than that. Wow, look how beautiful those are. Hey! Somebody is blowing bubbles at me. Look at his face. Hey! Brat, quit! No! I said, hey! Help! Being attacked by the bubble monster. Save me! Save me now! Ah!
Are you recording?
Yep. No, but you're getting bubbles on my phone, honey. You might mess it up. Alex, I want you to stay over here, baby. Please. Come here. There we go. You know what? I love you very much. Glad that your dream come true.
And guess what?
You got to boss me around today. No, there's bigger ones.
And guess what?
Oh, there's some good ones. Here. Oh. Okay, I got you. Are you okay? Can you see now? It's good? Okay. Beautiful. Oh my. I can't, I'm sorry.
Dancing.
I did try. I can try and put you on my shoulders if you hold the camera. Yeah?
I want the camera.
Okay.
Can I hold the camera?
Yes, you can record for me. And I will do my best to put you on my shoulders. This, hold this steady. Do not drop it, whatever you do. Okay, I want you to bounce. And I'll try and put you on my shoulders. I did it. Oh yeah. Okay. Now do you want to record or you want me to?
I'm recording.
Okay. You see it good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm heart racing. That is beautiful.
Hello, this is Hollywood Studios.
No, not Hollywood Studios. It is Holiday World in Indiana.
And we're watching Star Wars fireworks.
No, that was July 4th in Florida. This is
And we
Holiday World.
are also on Hollywood. Also.
Yes. And they have beautiful fireworks too.
They have the same Star Wars fireworks also.
Baby, these are not Star Wars. These are just beautiful fireworks.
See? See them? Huh? Huh? Huh?
Gorgeous. Here we go. Oh yeah. Wow. Beautiful, aren't they? You're safer up here for right now because we're going to get ran over.